This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the tool safe. Disconnect the spark plug cap or remove the battery to stop any accidental spin. Once done, position the Weedeater on a stable bench and put on gloves and eye protection. Use a wrench or the tool's locking pin to hold the shaft, then loosen the retaining nut or press the tabs that hold the old head. This first step removes tension and exposes the drive shaft so you can take off the worn head without bending or cross-threading parts. After loosening, slide the old head straight off while noting the order of the spring, washer, and any drive cup. Take a photo if needed. Inspect the drive shaft splines and threads for burrs or rust. Clean with a wire brush and wipe with solvent so new parts seat properly. If washers or springs are flattened or corroded, replace them now. Once cleaned and new components are at hand, test fit the new head onto the shaft to confirm alignment before you torque and place the new head on the shaft in the same order you removed parts, hand thread the retaining nut or engage the tabs, then tighten to the manufacturer's recommended torque so it's secure but not overstressed. Once installed, reattach the spark plug or battery and perform a short spin check by hand, then a brief low-speed run to listen for wobble or rubbing. If you hear vibration, stop and recheck alignment, inspect the shaft for damage, and replace any worn washers or mounting pieces before full operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.